Hi, Namaste. My name is Henry, and today I am in the cow shed of the Sri Ramana Ashram that keeps about 300 cow. It started with one cow called Lakshmi, who was the beloved devotee of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. She used to come and visit the Maharshi every day at a certain time. When she passed away, Bhagavan declared that she had attained liberation, moksha. Today I would like to make a video to encourage each and every one of you to be a vegetarian and to be an animal rights activist. I became a vegetarian in 1969 when I was introduced to the Hindu philosophy or ahimsa, non-violence, by Swami Bhaktivedanta, the founder of the Hare Krishna movement. My sister Marjolaine also became a vegetarian around that time, and for many years she kept a cow that you see here. Her name was Lalita. That cow lived to be 21 years old. She was one of the oldest cow in Canada at the time. For most of the cows are killed when they are about 5 years old. 900 million cows are killed every year for their meat. Billions of chicken and at least 2 billion pigs. For those of us that know about nutrition, we know that it is unnecessary to eat meat in 2024 for we can get quality protein from the vegetable kingdom. I want to acknowledge all those wonderful people around the world that speak up to protect the animal kingdom. One of them is my friend of 50 years, Joël Verdier, from France that you see here. And there's hundreds of thousands more around the world that have now realized how important it is to become aware of the suffering that the animal have to endure to feed a humanity that in reality does not need meat to survive and be healthy. If you are not a vegetarian or vegan now, I encourage you to find the information that will help you to eliminate meat products from your life and have a plant-based diet, which has now been proven scientifically to be way more healthy than eating meat. It is a fact that a pure vegetarian or vegan diet will facilitate someone to enter into deep meditation, to be more loving, to be more kind to humanity and all animals. This beautiful calf in the Ramana Ashram will grow and give milk to the ashram. When she is unable to give milk, she will be retired in a farm outside Tiruvannamalai, where she can grow old and die peacefully. This is the way that India has been taking care of cows since time immemorial, being grateful that the cow gives milk, cream, cheese, and instead of killing them when they're 5-year-old, they take care of the cow till she dies from her natural death, usually around 20-year-old. And remember, no cows in Canada, the United States, or Europe it lives more than 4 or 5 years before they're sent to the slaughterhouse.
Come.